So I request all students, please make them comfortable, please. Make them feel happy and tell them we also cried boo, boo, boo for 3 days. But make them happy, please. Please go out of the way. In fact, I request the VPs, IB2 should go to IB1 class for our whole class. They should spend some time with them. And similarly, the IG, 8 should go to 7, 7 should go to 6, and just see that they are all comfortable, talk to them, introduce, make friends. Please do that. And children, we all love you here. We are your foster parents first year. We are your parents first year, afterwards your teachers and gurus. The difference is, parent means we love you a lot and you don't have to be afraid. We are not that sort of school with too many rules, and rules are there that Manaswami should sit this side, sit that side, nothing like that, okay? Jigyasha, you can't do that side, can't do this side, there's no restrictions. So we love you, and please, I want everyone to remember this is an informal school. Whenever freedom is given, what comes? What is with freedom? What should come?
Responsibility.
Yeah. What should responsibility? Okay, good. Give a big hand. Go ahead and tell that. Okay, so it is a responsibility. We like you all to be matured persons. We are all from excellent families. We are all from beautiful families. Your parents are huge achievers. Only one small request, please. All the actors, all the top executives, all the stars, all those models who work on beautiful shows in France or the best of the places, they first taught how to carry themselves. Keep your head little high. Let people think, let people tell you're showing off. Don't worry. You're building a beautiful way of smartness. The way you sit, the way you talk. Control a little, like you're forgetting something. Don't drink water, good. Okay? Be like some beautiful children here. Fernando takes 1 hour to drink water. She's so thirsty, but she sips and keeps. So build a beautiful style. I want all of you, one request to your international students, it will matter if you bring style now. Just be conscious. Conscious of your dress. Conscious of how you carry yourself. Believe that the first part somebody gets impressed. You're a smart child. That's the first part here. Because initially people don't know what sort of person you are. The way you carry yourself, this child is so smart. The way you carry yourself. Please, all of you, do that, and we will we welcome you, and give a big hand to everyone, please. Welcome to the new session. Next, please. Well, this is our chairman of Jain Group Institutions. 2 minutes I'll take on this person. He's like your parents. He was nothing. He was a small-time trader carrying two big bags of cut pieces, cloth cut pieces, and going and booking orders in Andhra, in all villages at Tamil Nadu and Karnataka, sitting the buses, a very difficult task. Suddenly, he decided that I should do something better. And he went to some Jain good people, good businessmen, and told them, I would like to start quality education institutions. So they said, yeah, you're running business, how will you do this? He said, no, I will sacrifice my business. So a trust was formed, and 40 people joined the trust, and he left his business and took over of running the trust of institutions. The first one he started in 1990 was Jain College at V.V. Puram. People told him, start a nursery school, start a UKG kindergarten school. Why are you starting a college? But he's always been different. He's always been venturing something totally apart from normal routines. It took 1990 to 1999, he ran that college with great difficulty. 1999, this JRS, or the second institution of Jain Group, which came up. 1999, 65 students, first batch, through personal contacts of trustees and chairman, and those children came in. And then on we went on as a total residential school. We are not combining with day school. If we combine, we have 3,000 strength. And we try to keep that unique, beautiful path to be a total residential school. Because you're very special, you're very, very special children. Today we have strength of 750 and all are residential. I just will go through now, please. This is the man. We have 55,000 students at any. There's so many campuses, 53 campuses all over the country, and more than 5,000 teachers, staff, and we have research institutes which will be taking you on. Emerging technologists, special, all scientists are working here. Those people, college students, engineering college students, have awarded in world competition for UAVs, unmanned air vehicles, and they got silver award from US. Just adjacent to our building with that. We will take you to see emerging technology and what beautiful. We have also set up a UL lab, Universal Lab, that is American, very famous laboratory, which gives standardization for fire products, fire preventive products. So this is very important. So this lab will now be the ISO right stamping for all fire products, walls and so many things. Basically, you will take you there. The gas, fire extinguishers, they are taken there, and every company has to bring there every batch wise, and then they get certification, and the machine compresses that with huge compression to see that the body is correct. Lots of things Jain Group is going into. So you're in a beautiful part of that institution, and you are a big part of so many campuses all over the country. 87 education centers, 53 campuses, and 55,000 students. Next, please. Sri Chenraj Roychand. He'll meet you all sometime. Very informal, down to earth. He knows most of your parents. Here and then he knows your parents, and your parents know him. Next. Yeah? I want to tell you one thing, children. Lots of people come. Surveys from India Today, World Today, so many surveys come. They go all over the country and they check on 200 plus parameters, 206 parameters, they check where the school stands. Academics is not the only thing, please. Academics, sports, cultural activities, life skill programs, beautiful. There are more than 64 items which you have to be, and you're very fortunate that your school has been rated time and again as #1 co-education residential school. Please put the slide. Young man, you be with me. You're writing. And this is what you are. You're the #1 in the whole country as the #1 co-education residential school. And this is by a very famous for education today. Not only this, see the next. Please go faster. This is by the Economic Times. You have been the best brand school in the whole country. Next, please. Again, education awards by EduComp. Next, please. This is ISO 9001, which is certification for best of your industry, which your parents know. And we have fulfilled all the parameters. Wait till I go. You must be with me, Jayakumar. You must hear also. You're not hearing it. Please. UCAS is a United Kingdom. Again, they do also 206 parameters. And from UK, they come, they stay for 5 days, and they then accredit us to satisfy all their international quality standards. Next, please. This is Athena. This is another very big group which go around and check out the best institutions. Again, they have awarded us A+ grading, the highest grading. Next. Go-Getter, we didn't know. They are all the Go-Air, they just floated for all the clients who keep flying. And there again, you were voted as the first, because in South, the first they voted you there. Next. Well, we also got the Pioneer School. They said the top international schools, they give you huge amount of 5-star. And they gave a big article on this, and we were surprised when we got this. Somewhere they have taken it from the net. Next. Education World is, they made out a book of the top 21 best schools in the country. And your school is in this. Next. Career 360 has given a big write-up on the best schools, and your school is also here. Next. Well, Amitabh Bachchan, the famous man, he gave you 4 stars, and And you're doing very good. Bring it to 5 stars, Amitabh ji. Next. Well, this is the new children, old children know us, but for the old new children, please see this. Of course, you know Wing Commander Arjit Ghosh, hello please. 2 minutes. And Mrs. Ambud Sharma, she is not here. Pashuna, this man, he is alumni of Jain College, and at a young, just after passing out in 1997, he was the first person to come here with a barren land, with a motorcycle. So I will come to that and tell you. Here's Wing Commander Ghosh.